Hello guys, Silver Butterflies here. Today I unpacked in my Russian video new perfume which is very old. Precisely 1989. So 1989 is way back. And I applied it on myself, on my hand and my hair. I cannot guess it. It's like a mystery perfume. It's unexplainable. Whatever they declared in Fragrantica, half the stuff, I disagree. They call it it's warm, but for me it's very cold perfume, but with the warm notes. I don't know, it's like contradictory. Very strange, absolutely not similar to any perfumes nowadays. It's a different era. It's powdery, woody, yellow floral, iris, sweet vanilla, amber, violet, warm spicy. As I told, it's 89. Top notes: ylang, peach, bergamot, green notes, lemon. Middle notes: iris, jasmine, orris, narcissus, violet, rose. And base notes: sandalwood, iris again, vanilla, tonka bean, amber, and musk. Wow. And such nice pictures on Fragrantica. It's like very black-ish tulip, and this kind of bottle, exactly the same bottle like mine. Perfumer Jean-Paul Guerlain. So very contradictory. I was expecting something sweet, ambery, dark. Yes, it's dark, but it's not sweet. It's ambery, but it's not ambery nowadays. It's ambery back in the day. It layers on you like old perfumes and talks to you. Every 5 minutes it gives you something else, something new. Well, a lot of comments in Russian Fragrantica, like 90% says wow, and 10 or 20% out of 80, like 80-20 or 90-10 says it's not what we expect to. But I bought it because this kind of perfume was at my girlfriend's place back in the day, and I thought I always do that. I buy perfume from past tense just to remind about what happened before, and she had it, I didn't, and I always wanted to, so so many years later I got it. Okay, I still give it 5 out of 5, although it's very strange, beyond strange. It's for someone like perfume aficionado who not just about perfumes and formulas and just top notes. It's about the vibe of this time. Personally, to me, it's like cold iris powder with an ambery undertone. Kudos. And finally, this is my unpacking. All the best for you guys. I'm your Silver Butterfly. If you see this opened in a store, give it a chance. Maybe you will like it. But again, you have to try it in a silence at home. So how's it possible to do that? You must buy something to appreciate it. So I'm not agitating you to do that, but if someone has it, smell it. All the best, and I have to fly somewhere. I'm your Silver Butterfly. Bye for now.